Hello, welcome back to my channel. At the point when you purchase another vehicle, you in all probability invest a considerable measure of energy contrasting choice with track down the best ride at a fair cost. Purchasing facial protection ought to work the same way. Sadly, an excessive number of vehicle proprietors skirt this urgent step and wind up spending more cash than that they ought to. Vehicle protection costs can fluctuate generally by organization for precisely the same inclusion. To win the best vehicle protection at a sensible cost, this is the way to do it. 1. Accumulate your drive and vehicle information. Here is the data you have to kick off a vehicle protection shopping venture. Fundamental data like your name, address, and date of birth for each drive on the strategy. Driver's permit data for each driver on the approach. Vehicle data including year, make, model, vehicle distinguishing proof number, and current odometer perusing. Driving history for all drivers on the regiment, including to blame mishaps, petty criminal offenses, and any got done with safe driving tasks. Your ongoing guarantor on the off chance that you make the incorporate your ongoing inclusion limits. The key decide how much car insurance you need before you purchase a vehicle insurance contract. The initial step is to sort out how much vehicle protection you want, assuming that you purchase too little inclusion. You could be tragedy silly underinsured in any case. On the off chance that you purchase excessively, you'll overpay. Here are some normal inclusion tips you'll need to consider. Obligation car insurance. On the off chance that you cause an auto collision, obligation vehicle protection pay for property harm and wounds to other people. For example, their facial fix bills and clinical costs. It likewise covers lawful costs on the off chance that somebody sues you in lack of mishap. Most states, with the exception of New Hampshire and Virginia, expect you to convey a best measure of risk facial protection. For instance, in New York, all drivers should convey less risk limit, but hers is issue the best required measure of responsibility protection expected by state are by and large likely, for instance, of the off chance that you forecast the best sum in your New Year and caused an auto collision that broke about different one and more than in Dr. Fishy expenses. You'd be on the snare for the sum above. A great guideline is to purchase sufficient obligation protection to cover what you call loss in a claim. Uninsured motorist coverage fall out of every driver purchases obligation protection, regardless of whether they are expected to do as such. Furthermore, a full driver have responsibility protection, yet is insufficient to cover a costly fender bender. So what occurs if an uninsured or underinsured driver collides with you? Uninsured driver protection and underinsured driver protection take care of for you hospital expenses and different core, for example, loss compensation, burial service costs, and and leasing. A few states regular different state offer as discretionary inclusion. You can dismiss inclusion records as a hard copy, regardless of whether is needed in your expert. This is for the most part addition inclusion to have in the event that is accessible to you collision and comprehensive insurance. In the event that you need inclusion for facial bills for your own facial, you'll need to purchase crescent extensive protection.